This is a 2002 Saturn Vue, all-wheel drive, 3.0. What happened with this vehicle, it overheated. So I was driving on the freeway and it stopped. It's boiling over. Water's coming out of there. Well, it's boiling out of there. And also, after it cooled down, I refilled it with water. Then water went through it and came out of the exhaust system in the back. So the heads are pretty much gone. Took them out, and then you see the pistons down there. Sprayed some AWD 40 on them, WD 40. And we got it down to the pistons. Here, I gotta take the head gasket, the heads out, and I already took them out, and I just had to take them to a machine shop to get them done and put this back together. But this is what it looks like with the manifold off and the head gaskets. All this is going to get cleaned up before I put the head gaskets back on there. It doesn't look like it got too much damage, you know, just probably let's go take a look at the head gaskets and see what's going on here. So these are the heads. That's the front. This is the one that goes in the back. That right there is where the seal broke, and then the fluid went through the motor and out out through here, which went into the exhaust system. So it's going to take those a few days for the machine shop to get back to me and put them back on. That's it for now.